Abingelele siwa-2 phakathi kwakethu sixolise ngomhla ka-4 October akusoze kwenzeka ngendlela ebesifisa ngayo. Amathizethize kuyenzeka umphilo Smirnoff Gumede Gologo omhlophe kuna-statement lapho esikhona mayelana ne-event ebizoba khona ngaphansi kwegama lakhe. Ifundeka kanje: Agent Media Statement. Smirnoff concert at the Lyric Theatre on 4 October 2025 cancelled. Johannesburg, Gauteng, 30 September 2025. It is with sincere regret that Skincle Media announces the cancellation of the Smirnoff concert scheduled to take place at the Lyric Theatre, Gold Reef City on Saturday, 4 October 2025 due to unforeseen circumstances. The decision was made after careful consideration as the circumstances prevent the event from proceeding as planned. We understand the disappointment this will cause to all the fans who were eagerly anticipating the performance and sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may cause. Tickets and refunds. All patrons who purchase tickets for the Smirnoff concert will receive a full refund. Tickets purchased via web tickets refunds will be processed automatically to the original method of payment. Patrons do not need to take any action. Tickets purchased via other means, e.g. cash, please contact your point of purchase directly for information on how to obtain your refund. We request patience as our ticketing partners work to process the large volumes of refunds as quickly as possible. Should patrons have any queries regarding their refunds, please direct them to web tickets. Future announcement. Details regarding any potential rescheduled dates for Smirnoff performance will be communicated via official channels once confirmed. We thank Smirnoff's fans for their unwavering support and understanding during this time. Isho kanjalo-ke indaba ke isimemezelo laphana ngomcimbi kaSmirnoff uzoba seGold Reef e-Lyric Theatre laphana eGoli ngeyi-4 zaka-October bathi ekusaba-ke njalo-ke. Kube nembono-ke embalwa-ke laphana including nabo-ke laphana umshana webhofa iy'nqwele nazi kuyinqwele abathathi kude-ke bahlale bey'bekela imibono yabo. Uthe kanti uSmirnoff uma uphethe umatshitshi kuba nje asazi kumatshitshi ukuthi kwenzakalani, kodwa-ke abamzwisisi kahle zaphinde zaqhuba laphana ini iy'nqwele zathi ubani umxolisi Maxwell uthi esikhe wayibona kudala indaba kamatshitshi akaphume ibhodi yakhe naye baqhubeka osiyangaphi Sithenja Simphiwe Mkhize uthi-ke umatshitshi wabantu bakhona-ke noNtethelelo bayayibhokela-ke nomyeza-ke baningi nabanye abantu abakhona, kodwa-ke kubukeka event-ke shuthi ingasezukuba bikho-ke, kodwa-ke kuzomenyezelwa if kuzoba noshintsho oluzoba khona-ke. Bekuyilokho nje ukuthi-ke kuyahlehla-ke kokade sekuhleliwe ngomcimbi kaSmirnoff obuzoba phana eGold Reef City Lyric Theatre. Abantu bathikithi abo bazowathola ngendlela ey'hlukahlukene, kuye ukuthi wena ulithenge kanjani lakho. Uma ulithenge cash kumele uye enqolo lapho lithenga khona, abanye bathenge online bazowathola ngaleyo ndlela leyo. I-refund izoprocesswa kanjalo kanjalo. Sithembe ukuthi wena uzophinda uhlele kabusha umcimbi kaSmirnoff. Abantu ade bemagange belindele ukubona bezojabula kakhulu. Sibonge ithuba bekuyilokho nje, sisale kahle.